Hey guys, this is my first video on YouTube and today I will tell you how to create a vision board that actually works. A vision board just like this. You can keep this vision board somewhere you will see it every day. And also I'll share with you the methods I've used while creating a vision board like this. All the goals that you want to pursue in 2026 will be yours. All your delusional things, all the things that you dream of, and everything will be sorted in this vision board. So चलो start करते हैं. Firstly, you'll require a notebook, a pen, and एक laptop या फिर phone. Now for example आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं कि I am living a healthy life और मैं लिख रही हूँ that I am a successful YouTuber. So अब मैंने वो सब लिख दिया है जो मुझे इस साल चाहिए. Now the question is क्या लिखने से ये सब हो जाएगा? The answer is no. To manifest something you should be very specific. If आपको एग्जाम्स में टॉप करना है so you can't write कि I want to top in the exam. Being specific means a lot. You can write मुझे 90 plus score करना है. This is called being specific of what you want. By this, you do not confuse yourself or the universe. Ultimately, आपको जो भी चाहिए वो goal मिल जाएगा. You are being specific. अब आपको Pinterest या फिर Canva open करना है and search everything that you want. Like मैंने लिखा है I am a successful YouTuber. So I will search for a pin that describes my goal the best. After finding your desired image, you have to save it. So after saving everything, let's get ahead. Now I've printed all the goals that I want to manifest in 2026. You can easily purchase or print them at your home itself. They are very cheap. Now you have to cut them very properly. After you cut all the images, now you can start sticking them. Like I'm sticking 2026 in the middle, like it signifies the year in which I want to accomplish this goal. और मैंने एक साइड में अपना हेल्थ केयर एंड सेल्फ केयर के बारे में पेस्ट किया है. On the right corner you can see that I'm pasting things related to manifestation and self-confidence. In the middle portion I have added the images related to my studies and my new journey. Also, I have added many things related to manifestation, some keywords that remind me that yeah, I can manifest the life that I want. Now your vision board is ready. मैं एक last tip आप लोगों को देना चाहती हूँ regards manifestation and creating a vision board. That manifesting your dream life is not an instant process. This requires dedication. Negative thoughts or negative words against yourself or even self-doubt can ruin your divine energy. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Moreover, मुझे जानना है कि आपका 2026 में main goal क्या है. Please comment down below. Don't hesitate. I will send my positive wishes to you all in the comment section. एंड आई ऑल्सो विश कि आपका विजन बोर्ड जल्दी ही आपकी रियलिटी बन जाए।